Grow your online business with online lead generation strategies in online marketing. Lead generation refers to the creation of an interest in a particular product or service of a firm through the creation of contact information. Leads may be generated for various purposes including email list generation, direct mail list generation, or for sale leads. In all these ways lead generation may take different forms. It depends on the nature and purpose of the activity and the type of business undertaken. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about growing your online business with online lead generation strategies. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Lead generation does not only refer to the generation of leads but also includes other related activities like lead management, tracking, alerts, analytics, and even testing. Lead management assists in decision-making and provides useful information about the progress made in lead generation. This can be done by regular analysis of the activity and evaluating the results. It also provides guidance and assistance to marketers to avoid or minimize risks and improve efficiency. Many companies today use social media marketing for lead generation and are successful in their campaigns. Social media marketing is a process of advertising and selling products and services over the internet using social networking websites like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Some companies use this technique to generate leads by writing email advertisements or sending text messages to potential customers. Many businesses use lead generation software programs to automate their online advertising campaigns. These programs help to send bulk emails to targeted audiences at regular intervals. Lead generation tactics include the use of the opt-in forms on blogs and websites, use of lead capture forms on websites, use of autoresponders in various types of advertising campaigns and using squeeze pages in email campaigns. These are some of the lead generation tactics that many organizations and companies have adopted for generating leads. Lead generation software programs, if properly maintained, help to save money on conventional advertising methods. There are many ways to generate leads without spending much money. One of the most cost-effective ways is search engine optimization. SEO is an important aspect of online marketing and it has a major impact on the effectiveness of an internet marketing campaign. It helps in bringing more traffic to a website. Companies and organizations can choose among the several available SEO software to help them optimize their websites. Businesses can also adopt online lead generation strategies through online advertising. They can create effective campaigns by using various online advertising options. There are various types of online advertising options available including pay-per-click advertising, search engine advertising, content advertising, banner advertising, and video advertising. This is another strategy that provides great benefits to the online advertiser because his investment is almost tax-free. Paid advertising is also very effective when it comes to generating leads. There are two ways of generating leads through paid advertising. One way is through paid inclusion advertising where online advertisers can include a link to their site in paid ads published in various online channels like Google AdWords. The other way is through direct email marketing where online advertisers can send targeted messages to their contacts. Another online lead generation method includes the purchase of lead generations from other companies. When companies purchase the leads they can use them in their own campaigns at a very low cost. The most cost-effective of these methods is through the purchase of bulk loads. These loads are usually purchased in large quantities and can meet the requirements of an entire marketing campaign. The companies that offer this service charge a one-time fee for the acquisition of the lead. This method is very easy to implement and it is one of the most accepted forms of online advertising. Thanks for watching my video about growing your online business with online lead generation strategies. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.